to sit where they want her to. Silence is touching her, combing her hair. Paint her lips like Rembrandt's, her eyes like silver suns. We want you to follow the rules we made. If you obey your nature, you'll be sent to a shady prison cell. We're gonna teach you to shut up and sit where we want you to.